So I just want to show you guys, I've been hanging out here at my buddy Jack's place. Basically he lives in a warehouse, and yeah, here's his FJ60, sorry, FJ40. And then he also has an FJ60, which could possibly be my next project, but we'll see. This thing is pretty cool. Just test drove it right now.
Alright, just the sides and the rear doors, and I took it a big bend after that, so they're a little scratched up, but you can see the difference. For like the bottom stuff is way nicer than the top because I painted like 3 cars.
It's between it. It's actually kind of a good color to get scratched up because you kind of won't see it too much.
I thought it was the original color.
It's slightly off. Is this the original or what?
This is Dune Beige 464, and the original color is Dune Beige 416 or something. It's like more pale.
Yeah. Like this or?
No, like it's more like this. Oh. So this is and then I bought the FJ60 and the color code was this exact color. So that's why I painted it that. And then so this is actually the original color code for this piece and the top.
Oh, it actually came like that,
Cygnus
like
white.
two-tone.
That's the exact color.
Yeah.
It's cool, man. Like you go to a paint store and they can just match it up. And then when I was doing the frame off, I did 415, and then I did a 415 top coat, and then I did Raptor liner on the whole underside. So the whole underside of the tub, and then the firewall is this. And then I oversprayed it when I painted it.
You can just spray paint it black now.
Yeah, for sure. So then I drove it around, and now it's all dirty and shit. That's what I do. But there's no rust on this thing now at all. Like, basically, I made replacement panels for all this stuff. This was all rusted out. This was all rusted out. Replaced all of this.
You made you bought panels, replacement panels?
Made them.
Made them?
Yeah, I made them at the high bay.
That's cool.
Yeah. Well, actually, yeah, the high bay and in my garage.
Yeah.
So all this, like this whole, there's like a subframe thing in here, and I completely manufactured a new one, like underneath on the inside.
Yeah.
And yeah, I actually have a vlog, like not a vlog, but like it was like a car forum, and I totally detailed the whole process.
Yeah, it looks good, man.
One of the things
I like
I'm gonna do is maybe this weekend is work on a rear bumper for the 60. Replace. Yeah, I'm sure you can get a kit, but yeah, that's where your play's coming from, right there. Look at that. Good. For sure. So yeah, you can get those. I'm sure there's a whole kit. I would do. Yeah, I think there's 3 of them.
Tie rod ends of each one.
Yeah.
So I'm going to replace this guy here. Put a spacer in there. And this guy. So
all right now?
Inner and outer tie rods. The ball joint, upper ball joint, and lower ball joint actually.
And then the shocks.
And then the shocks, and then I'll put a spacer in there.
Okay. Stop. Is it getting firm?
No.
Okay, so it won't bottom out by itself, but basically you just gotta figure out where it's leaking.
Oh, it is a little bit.
Yeah, okay, it's leaking like hell.
Did you see it?
It's fun.
It's getting firmer.
Oh, now it's leaking a lot.
Okay, stop.
Okay, yeah.
God damn it, I think it's bad, dude.
Like new fittings bad?
Like new throwout bearing bad.
Oh.
It's just leaking from the bearing itself, I think. Oh, no. No, dude, I'm just an idiot. I'm an idiot. I didn't tighten things enough.
You haven't even checked how tight they are yet?
I checked. They're tight, but they're not.
I'm gonna hit it one more time.
Not tight enough. No, for sure.
You know that's where it is?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this part comes off. That's the thrust bearing.
Yeah.
And you can see it's leaking from the fucking top fitting. Okay. Well, actually, best case scenario. So I'm just charged. Or if you use the pickle fork, hit it at least that hard.
With a pickle fork?
Yeah, that might do it.
Yeah, that pickle fork should have a mushroomed end on it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. That's how hard that thing's being hit. Mine's all good.
There you go.
Yeah.
Come on now.
Loosen that castle nut just a little bit. Give it some. Does it have some
It's got-
space?
it's got some
It does have some
Yeah,
space.
it's got space.
Just
Okay.
whack it with both hands as hard as you can on that pickle fork.
Pickle fork. Yeah. There you go.
There it is.
Yeah.
God damn, that thing's flying.
You know what's worth it? I heard the sound change.
So other idea is torch. Yeah, just get that. Be careful with the any rubber that's around. Yeah, get it closer. You want to get the metal right at the end of the yeah.
Are you sure we can't turn it off? We have no room to turn. All right, got two more, Jet.
You ever wonder how those work? It's pretty cool. Check it out.
It's very cool.
When you turn it, see it's got these gauges on the inside.
Yeah.
Gears. When you turn it, it pokes it out.
Oh.
So
Hey, it's not a C-clip.
then that engages the axle.
Yeah.
So that's locked. Jeez, it's a little crusty.
It's a little crusty, but it's not bad.
You unlock it, it'll
We're gonna be able
bring it
to
back
fix
in.
So when you rotate it, yeah, it you can kind of see like the kind of like big thread type things.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be easier to turn after we're done.
Well, that's good.
Yeah,
one of them
pretty
doesn't
hard.
even go all the way to
Yeah, figure it out. Watch this, YouTube.
So fresh and so
About to blow your mind. These fucking angle grinder skills. On a sketchy angle grinder of death.
Hey, you got your safety equipment on there?
I do.
All right. Video on.
How about angle grinder on? How does that make that happen?
What do you need?
Oh wait, let me grab some.
So we're not reducing the rigidity of this at all?
Definitely not.
No?
Not structural.
Just weight reduction?
This is weight reduction at its finest. This is the most economical. Okay. It's the best way to do it.
Yeah, done?
Is that enough? Where's that spacer at?
So what were you cutting off?
So basically like this material to make room for the lift spacer that we got over here. Moment of truth.
Perfect.
I don't know. Might need to do a little bit more. I think that's good, actually.
Looks good, yeah.
Evan will know for sure, but...
Sitting nice now. Looks good.